Hello guys, welcome to another video. And today we are going to discuss about upcasting and downcasting types. So as you have seen in my previous video, if you have a variable of type number or if you have a variable of type string, so ultimately you can store these values in a variable which is any. So you are trying to convert a specific type, that is number, to a type which can accept anything. Same for string. You are trying to convert a more specific type, that is string, to a type which can accept anything. This process is called upcasting. You are casting your variable to a upper type which can accept anything. And just opposite of it, we have maybe a variable of type number, and I am downcasting it to a very specific type, that is 7. Or you can also call it narrowing. You are narrowing it to more specific type. This process is called downcasting. So upcasting, very familiar. Like if you have some complex data structure and you don't know, like you want to assign some value to it which it won't accept, then you can do something like this. Maybe your value as any. So you are converting your value to as any type, so that any type any type present in the left side is going to accept it. Maybe if you have a, which is a number type, but you are trying to access string, but if you do it, it's going to be happy because you are specifying that hey, it is any type. You're upcasting this value to any, and it's going to be accepted here. So let's understand downcasting in example. Yes. Okay, I do have this, and let's create some variables. Maybe let's create one function which is going to sum two values for me, and here I'm going to assign value a as number and b as number, and what it's gonna do is just gonna return me a plus b. Very simple function, right? And now if I do sum 10, 20, well, it's going to be very happy because I'm passing two numbers. But if I try to do something like this, const arr and 10 and 20, and if I try to pass my array using spread operator, which is going to be this 10, 20, as you see, it is giving me the error, right? You are not able to pass this. And you expect output must either have a tuple type or to be passed as a rest operator. So right now we are passing an array, but it accepts two numbers, right? So that this is a problem because this array is of number type. This array is not exactly of two elements. Array of number type could have n number of elements. But if I do this as const, when I do this, what I'm telling my TypeScript is, hey TypeScript, the array I'm creating here is going to be exactly same as type, means this array type is going to have only two elements. First one is going to be a number, second one is going to be a number. If I see the implicit typing, then you see it is a read-only tuple which has two values, that is 10 and 20. And when I pass this, so it automatically gets converted to this, and on the first parameter I'm going to receive 10, on the second parameter I'm going to receive 20, and TypeScript is very much happy for it. What I'm doing here, I'm narrowing it with as const. This is one of the examples. Alright, let me create another function which just going to display value, and is going to accept one value, that is message. It could be a number or it could be a string. And whatever value I'm going to receive, I'm just going to print message. Okay. If I pass string, it's going to be happy. If I pass number, it is going to be perfect. But now what if I try to do something like this? MSG dot. As you see, it is not showing me methods of either number or string. It is showing me the common methods coming from the prototypes from the parent object, but not showing me the methods of number or string. Like number has some methods to fixed to exponential, and string has some methods like ends with, starts with, includes. Now, what if I do something like this? If type of message is equal to string. Now what if I try to access the message? Now if I try to access message, it is showing me all the available method in the string. And if I do else, well, even I'm not specifying number here, else, and if I do msg dot, it is showing me all the method of function. Now, by the condition, I am narrowing or downcasting a type to a specific type so that TypeScript knows what type of method it's going to get. This process is called downcasting or narrowing. This is very useful when you are having a scalable application, when you have a type which has multiple options, multiple available types, and you want to narrow it down to a single type. This is a way to go. This is very, very important. So from this video, I'm going to keep it short. And in the next video, we are going to learn more topics about TypeScript. So if you're watching this video and if you want to learn TypeScript, please follow my series and follow my channel and do a like or comment if you have any feedback. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in next video.